And today we're checking out FuseBase, the no-code platform for creating white label workspaces, document collaboration, and project management client portals. Running a business means juggling a million moving pieces, from internal workflows to client-facing tasks. That's where FuseBase steps in. FuseBase is your all-in-one collaboration hub with 3 powerhouse components: internal space for team collaboration, external space for working with clients or partners, and AI agents that bridge both worlds seamlessly. Right after sign up, you get to choose your starting point: internal tools, portals, or AI agents. Let's dive into the AI first. Inside FuseBase, a robust dashboard lets you customize your workflows, whether you're streamlining internal operations or launching client projects. Everything is accessible in one view. The AI agents section gives you powerful automation capabilities. You can use pre-built agents, create custom ones, or integrate third-party tools via MCP integration. Next, we've got FuseBase Pages. You can drag and drop any type of content: docs, videos, audio files, presentations, and more. And for video content, FuseBase automatically transcribes it and lets your AI agent answer questions based on the transcript. And because AI agents understand the context of the page, including uploaded docs, they can provide real-time contextual responses and generate content directly on the page. You can even build client portals with AI-powered support built in. These agents will search docs and answer client questions in real time. FuseBase lets you add agents to any page to respond specifically to the information on that page. Think of it as an embedded expert for each topic. Of course, it also includes task management, dashboards, and file sharing, the basics, but better. Meet the FuseBase AI Assistant, a browser extension that acts like your sidekick. From lead generation to page analysis, it helps with capturing key data, understanding web pages, and serving customer success and sales teams. Okay, now here's where FuseBase really takes off: automations. FuseBase includes a Zapier-style automation module that lets you build multi-agent workflows, create background scenarios, and push outputs across apps via MCP. For example, when a lead fills out a form, FuseBase can automatically transcribe the intake call, summarize the key points, send action items to your CRM, and notify your team of next steps. Talk about a powerhouse in terms of time management and efficiency. FuseBase isn't just a workspace, it's your all-in-one command center for running a smarter, faster business. From AI agents to automated workflows, it's built to scale with you. Ready to streamline everything in one place? Click Buy now to see what your business can do when nothing slows you down.